hardware is the tangible, physical machinery that makes a computer function. It includes things like the central processing unit, memory, storage devices, input-output devices, and more. Operating system, also known as OS, is the software that manages and controls the hardware. It provides a user interface, manages files and folders, runs applications, and handles communication between the user and the hardware. Common examples of operating systems include Windows, macOS, and Linux. Applications are programs that run on top of the operating system. They are designed for specific tasks or functions. Examples include web browsers, word processors, and games. Applications utilize the hardware and the resources managed by the operating system to perform tasks and provide functionality to users. So, in summary, hardware is the physical computer components, the operating system is the software that manages and controls them. And applications are the software programs that run on top of the operating system to perform specific tasks.